Have you ever wondered what's truly hidden beyond the everyday internet where secrets, forbidden knowledge, and danger intersect? Let's peel back the layers together. Only about 4% of the web is the surface web, everything you do on Google, YouTube, and similar sites. The deep web accounts for 90%, but the dark web is less than 0.01%, accessible only through encrypted networks like Tor. Consider the story of a journalist in an oppressive regime. Using Tor, she securely shared confidential government documents with global media, evading censorship and protecting her sources, all thanks to the anonymity of the dark web. Some might say, isn't the dark web just a haven for criminals? While illicit markets exist, let's not forget its crucial role for whistleblowers, activists, and researchers seeking safe, anonymous communication. Looking forward, as the digital landscape evolves, understanding the dark web's dual nature empowers us to use it responsibly and recognize its legitimate purposes beyond the headlines. What are the real dangers of venturing into the dark web? And are you truly prepared for them? Let's get brutally honest. Agencies like the FBI are monitoring Tor exit nodes more aggressively than ever. And a single slip can expose your identity or even land you in legal trouble. Take the case of a Reddit user last year. One careless click on a phishing site locked his computer with ransomware within minutes, an all-too-common fate for those unprepared. Skeptics argue, isn't just browsing the dark web harmless if you don't break the law? While technically true in many regions, the line between curiosity and crime blurs quickly when malware, data leaks, or legal gray zones come into play. Moving forward, always treat the dark web with the same caution as walking through a dark alley. Awareness, preparation, and strict boundaries are your best defense against disaster. How do you truly shield yourself before stepping into the digital shadows? Let's break down the essential toolkit for safe exploration. Fact: using only Tor still exposes the fact that you're connecting to Tor to your ISP. Pairing it with a paid no-logs VPN like Mullvad or Proton VPN, costing around $5 divided by month, adds a critical layer of protection. Critics might claim, isn't antivirus or firewalls overkill if Tor is secure? But as malware evolves, layered defenses, malware bite scans, OS firewalls, signature-verified Tor downloads are proven to catch threats. Tor alone can't. If you implement these best practices, VPN first, verified Tor browser, isolated environments, you dramatically reduce risk and set yourself up for truly private, controlled exploration. What's the safest strategy for actually exploring the dark web without getting burned? Let's map your journey, step by step. In practice, starting with hidden directories like the Hidden Wiki, then searching via onion-based engines like Amia or Torch, is far safer than Googling random onion links, reducing exposure to traps and scams. Don't require downloads or logins to compromise your privacy. By sticking to official resources, disabling risky features, and ending every session with a thorough cleanup, you can confidently explore without falling victim to common pitfalls. Update your tools monthly, and use the dark web as a force for truth, not harm, and you'll stay fluxed, informed, and secure.